Cameroon is African in miniature. It is home to over 900 birds and 300 mammal species, with about 630 of both species listed as threatened and endangered on the IUCN Red List. Unfortunately, these species are constantly threatened by anthropogenic activities like poaching, conversion of habitats to farmland, and overhunting. The Environment and Rural Development Foundation ERuDeF, cognizant of this, has since its creation in August 1999 been working toward conserving wildlife and restoring fragile landscapes of Cameroon. As the lead Cameroonian non-profit organization working on primates research and conservation, ERuDeF has been supporting the creation and management of protected areas across Cameroon to avert this plight. In 2001, this organization took the first practical step in this regard with the launching of the Biodiversity Highlands Forest Conservation Initiative. Three years after, ERuDeF, with the support of the Royal Society for the Protection of Birds, Fauna and Flora International and Rawford Foundation, discovered a new subpopulation of the Cross River gorillas in the Bichati forest, raising the number of the fragmented Cross River gorilla population to 11. In order to have a better understanding of the biodiversity richness of this area, ERuDeF again launched research and conservation activities in the Biodiversity Highlands in 2004. The research and conservation work was boosted in 2007 with the entry of Tusk. This increased support led to the creation of the Biodiversity Highlands Conservation Complex in 2010. With the discovery of an estimated 60 critically endangered cross-river gorillas, ERuDeF, in collaboration with the local administration and officials of the Ministry of Forestry and Wildlife, and support from Tusk Trust, Fauna and Flora International, Man and Nature, Whitley Award, Transpetrol Foundation and Aquas Foundation, amongst others, concluded three key conservation agreements with community leaders and traditional authorities between 2006 and 2009. These key agreements culminated in the launching of the gazettement process of the proposed Tofala Hill Wildlife Sanctuary in 2010, which materialized on the 29th of September 2014, with the Prime Minister of Cameroon signing into decree the gazettement of the Tofala Hill Wildlife Sanctuary. The decree made ERuDeF the first national NGO to create a protected area in Cameroon, and this signaled a new dawn for ERuDeF in Cameroon and as an emerging conservation leader. The gazettement of the Tofala Hill Wildlife Sanctuary is therefore a bold step towards providing a safe haven to close to 60 cross-river gorillas, 150 chimpanzees, unknown population of drills, Procius guinant, amphibians and bushman poto. The protection of Tofala will also lead to the protection of some 42 plant species in the IUCN Red List, 6 of which are endemic to this site and 14 bird species in the IUCN Red List. The long-term conservation development of this biodiversity hotspot and the uncovering of its full potential will be very difficult, if not impossible, without a significant support from the international community. ERuDeF is also leading the efforts towards the creation of the Magbichu Wildlife Sanctuary to support over 300 chimpanzees, still unknown population of gorillas, over 100 elephants, as well as other endangered fauna and flora. Meanwhile, the organization is also mobilizing resources to ensure the conservation of endangered animals and amphibians of other Cameroon mountains like the giant frog of Mount Lonako, the drills and bush shrike of Mount Coupe, chimpanzees and drills of Mount Monenguba, and chimpanzees of the Kimbi Fongum National Park and Mount Cameroon National Park, and gorillas on the Ndeng National Park. The involvement of ERuDeF in the long-term conservation development and management of the key biodiversity hotspots and protected areas in Cameroon is capital of Cameroon's biodiversity must be protected. International long-term support from partners is therefore very important. ERuDeF will also be leading the efforts to lobby for the creation of the Cameroon Biodiversity Foundation, a key long-term funding instrument needed for the management of Cameroon's protected area and biodiversity hotspots.